Months from today, there will be two kinds of businesses, the quick and the dead. The difference will be their answer to one urgent question. Are you ready to do business in an ongoing pandemic? Every leader in the world must rapidly prepare their team or organization to do business during the danger gap. This is the span of time between when you restart your operation and when highly effective vaccines or treatments are widely available. Estimates are that this danger gap will be a minimum of 12 months. Are you ready? As strict isolation measures are relaxed, every organization in the world will have to invent its own Be Safe, Feel Safe plan. No matter how many government standards are issued, the real work will be left to every team leader, manager, and executive to solve two problems. First, how will you make sure your employees and customers are safe? You need to identify the crucial moments in your unique workplace when workplace interaction puts people at risk of infection. You need to create effective solutions to eliminate that risk, and you need to be sure every one of your employees does the right thing every time. That's why it isn't enough to have conference room hygiene checklists. You need to have a plan to influence every employee to follow those checklists every time. Second, how will you make sure employees and customers feel safe? It isn't enough that you clean the pens at your registration desk after each use. Customers won't feel safe unless you tell them you've done it. Your plan needs to influence not just reality, but the perception of your customers and employees. That's why a gym in Shenzhen, China doesn't just clean its treadmills after each use. They use a scented cleaner to help members feel it's clean. The bottom line for survival during the danger gap is this: nervous employees don't work and nervous customers don't buy. Medical science hasn't solved COVID-19 yet. We all hope they do soon. In the absence of vaccines or treatments, you'll need leadership.